Two-group discriminant analysis is a technique where criterion variable has two categories, and this discriminant analysis model will include D a discriminant score, B is a discriminant coefficient or weight, and S is predictor or independent variable. So there are five steps in two-group discriminant analysis. The first step is formulate the problem, discriminant function coefficients, significance of discriminant function, and interpreting result, and the final thing is validity. So the first step in discriminant analysis is to formulate the problem by identifying the objective criterion variable and independent variable. The criterion variable must consist of two or more mutually exclusive and collectively exotic categories, when the dependent variable interval or radial scale it must first be converted into category. So the next step is to divide the sample into two parts. One part of the sample are called the estimation or analysis sample, is used for estimation of discriminant function, and the other part, or validation sample, is reserved for validating and track the result of estimation sample. Yeah. There are two main approach to estimate the discriminant function coefficient. The direct method involves estimating the discriminant function so that all the predictors are included simultaneously. In this case, we use when the researcher wants the discrimination to be based on the predictor, and otherwise in stepwise discriminant analysis. The predictor variables are entered sequentially based on the ability to discriminate among groups, and these methods we use when the researcher wants to select a subset of predictor for inclusion in discrimination function. During the abilities for two-group discrimination analysis, first we click in Analyze, Classify Discriminant. In this grouping variable, we choose physics. In independent variable, we choose income, travel, vacation, age, size, and age. In physics, we click in Define Range. Minimum is 1 and maximum is 2. Then continue. And in this part, we choose Enter Independent together. So in statistics, click in Mean, Univariate, ANOVA, return group correlation, and continue. In Classify, we click on Group are equal, Summarize table, leave one out classification, return group, and then continue. Click OK. So based on the result, we can see that agent value is 1.7. So it will account for 100% of explained variance, and the canonical correlations is 0.8. So the square of these correlations will equal to 0.64, indicate that 64 of the variance independent variable visits is explained or accounted for by this model. To determine the significance of discriminant function, they use quick lambda. So this statistic represents the percentage of variance in dependent variable that is not explained by discriminant function. Its value varies between 0 and 1. The large value of lambda near 1 indicates that the group mean do not seem to be different, and small value of lambda near 0 will indicate that the group mean seem to be different. So if several functions attest simultaneously, this statistic is the product of the univariate lambda for each function. The significance level is estimated based on a chi-square transformation of the statistic, and is testing for significance in vacation result example. We can see that the lambda associated with this function is 0.3, which transforms to a chi-square of 26, with 5 degrees of freedom, and this significance is beyond the 5% level too.